This is new. I was supposed to get 2 of these. Something very bad happened to this. Oh my gosh! Trying to figure out what happened here. I don't know. Oh, that's what happened. Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I have a box from Thrive Market up here, and then I have a box from Misfits that has a bag over it. That's never happened before. So we're gonna get all of this open. They both just came at the same time. As a reminder, I do pay for everything in these boxes. I will go over my receipt with you at the end, so stay with me and I'll tell you exactly what I paid for everything in here. And if you do wanna give either Thrive Market or Misfits Market a try, there are links in the description down below where you can do that. If you use those links, you'll help me because I'll save something off my next order, but you'll save something off your order too. It's a win-win for both of us. All right. Let's get these boxes open. We'll start with this one and find out what's inside. I'm going to show you what this looks like because they organize it so nicely. Thrive Market does a really good job at organizing the box. Look at that. There's compartments. Look at how nice that is. I love it. Okay. I got some grain-free stuffing mix. Now, I realize the holidays are a ways off. Hold on. Let me get rid of this flap. Okay. There we go. Okay. So I realize the holidays are a ways off, but this was on sale. It expires in November, but I think that, well, not expires. It's a best to use by. I think that's fine, and I can use this for my Thanksgiving stuffing, but it was on sale. Okay, I love this stuff. Some egg pappardelle. Do I ever say it correctly? I don't know. Leave a comment. Tell me. This is so good. I love it with bolognese sauce. Yum. Some mustard. I was out of mustard. This is the Thrive Market brand, organic, and this is the stone ground mustard. Some casarici. Every time I get it, I say it wrong. So this is gluten-free. It's made from organic brown rice, and it is non-GMO. It is not organic. I got some of these. These are alkaline water filters for my alkaline water pitcher. I got this from Thrive Market last time. If you missed that video, there's a link to it in the description down below. I had to get a new alkaline water pitcher because my old one was falling apart. This was the main reason I placed this order because I needed more of these guys to put in the pitcher. Some organic white jasmine rice. I love jasmine rice, and this is organic. It's really not very expensive for organic, so I like to get it from Thrive. I normally don't do this. I normally get all my vitamins from Thorn. Wow, that was good. Like this from Thorn. But I ran out of my B vitamins and I was placing this order, and vitamin code is the next best thing. So I got these because I didn't want to pay shipping to just order one thing from Thorn, and I forgot to include it in my last order. So this is to hold me over until I have to place another order. By the way, if you haven't tried Thorn, I did an unboxing, I think it was the end of last year or the beginning of this year. I did an unboxing and I explained all the vitamins that I use and why. There's a link to that in the description down below. Some more mustard. I think a lot of this stuff was on sale, so that's why I got it. This is spicy brown mustard. This is also the Thrive Market brand, organic. Oh, this was one of my freebies, I think. This is Nut Pods, 0 sugar barista oat milk. I've never had it. I wouldn't buy it, but normally. But there was a deal. When you shop with Thrive at the end of the order, sometimes, if you're lucky, you can select a free gift. I like to select the most expensive free gifts. That was part of it. It was 2 things. So there's another one in here somewhere. Some salsa. This is Thrive Organic Smoky Chipotle salsa. It's really good. We get this all the time. We love it. And I think I've got 2 of those. Is this another one? Yes. Another one of those. It's really good. Another one of the filters for the alkaline water pitcher. I don't know if you can see that. Can you? Can you see that? I think I got 3. Yes. Here's the 3rd one. Because I don't place orders with Thrive like every week or even every month. I only do it as need be. There's certain things I get from them and certain things I get from Misfits and things I get from Imperfect and things I get from ButcherBox, Good Shop, all the companies. Another one of these. This is the 2nd box. I think it was a minimum order of 2, I think, but we'll check that receipt. 2 of the egg tagliatelle. This is good stuff. And this is also gluten-free. And then some bow tie pasta. There's 2 of these too, I think. I think you had to get like 2 of all of these. And then some of the wild rice. This is not organic. It is non-GMO though. And oh, I love this stuff. This is Saffron Road Lemongrass Basil Simmer Sauce. It is so good. It is not organic, but it is gluten-free and non-GMO. I love my straws. I really do. These are compostable straws and I love them. I've tried to use the reusable straws. You guys know this, but I don't like them. I always wind up biting them and hurting my teeth. So we're not gonna do that. Some of the organic gluten-free super grain elbow pasta. And there are 2 of these. And I use this to do my, I think I say it every time, I do a homemade version of Hamburger Helper cheeseburger macaroni. Make it myself. I brown the beef with onions and garlic. I put in milk, beef broth, simply organic packet of Sloppy Joe seasoning, the elbow pasta. Am I forgetting something? Sometimes a bay leaf. I'm probably forgetting something. Oh, scallions or parsley to finish it off. And I let that simmer, and it's a really good, easy 1-dish meal. Some of the Italian seasoning. Use that like crazy. I got my crunchy giant Inca corn. I love this stuff. This is like corn nuts or Fritos or something like that, only it's not as bad for you. The ingredients are pretty simple. It's non-GMO, it is gluten-free. You do have to be careful with corn and GMOs. The ingredients are corn, sunflower oil, and sea salt. That's it. That is so much better than anything you're gonna find help you with a salt craving. So much better. And then we've got more of the bow tie pasta. Okay, so what did this cost? Let's look at our receipt. I was supposed to get 2 of these, and I only have 1 of these. There was supposed to be the original and a cinnamon dolce, and it was a free gift. How do I complain about not getting half of a free gift? That's really weird, guys. I got half of my free gift. The alkaline pitcher water filters were $8.99 each. They were on sale from $11.99. The Casarecci pasta was $4.29 on sale from $6. The white jasmine rice was $5.99 for 32 ounces. That's 2 pounds of rice for $5.99. On sale from $8.70. The Inca corn was $2.29 each. On sale, so I saved I think like 50 cents. The pappardelle pasta was $4.29. The organic brown rice tagliatelle was $5.29 on sale from $7.75. The straws were on sale for $2.79. There are 50 in each box. The wild rice blend was a pound for $4.99. The lemongrass basil simmer sauce was $2.49. The organic super grains elbows were $3.99 each. The bow tie pasta was $4.49 each, down from $6. The vitamin code Garden of Life Raw B Complex vitamins were $16.09. That was on sale from $22.99. The organic Italian seasoning was $3.49. The salsa was $4.49. The stuffing was $7.49, and that's for a 1 pound bag, on sale from $12.79. The stone ground mustard was $3.49, and the organic spicy brown mustard was $3.49. My total, subtotal, was $134.04. Shipping was free. I had a $20 discount, and I had $40.67 in Thrive Cash. That is from some of you using my code, so I thank you for that. Tax was $1.86. They do charge a worker safety fee, which is fine with me, $1.95. So my total was $77.18. I think that's a pretty good deal. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Okay, so now I'm gonna move everything over, and then we're gonna get this open and find out why it has a plastic bag over it. Well, the flaps aren't sealed. That's one problem. One, two soupy ice packs, and they're dripping everywhere. A very useless, disgustingly drenched piece of cardboard. Very cold broccolini. This is like, the ice packs must have been right on top of it. It's so cold. Some apricots. Looks like there's milk all over everything. I don't know if you can see that, but the lemons have stuff all over them. And so do my chives. I love milky chives, scallions. And my ginger too. I have milk on my ginger. Is this? I don't think it's the flax milk. I'm not even properly showing you guys this stuff at this point because I'm trying to figure out what happened here. Well, the cold pack was not completely sealed, but these ice packs are completely frozen. Oh, that's what happened. Look at that. I have never seen anything like that. Misfits, when you put ice packs on top of milk, that's going to happen. So you can see right through it. Look at that. So basically, everything has milk on it. I wonder what happened to my eggs. I mean, aside from being extremely milky. Milky eggs. Oh my goodness, there's just milk all over everything. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my goodness. And they're smashed. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to show you this because it's kind of a mess. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that. This is fun. Fun and exciting. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with this. Milk isn't any good. The eggs are broken. Well, the milk is, it's not that it isn't any good, it's that there isn't any. Oh my goodness, Misfits. What a disaster. Have some milky hot dogs, that's always lovely. Oh my gosh. And then I have milky yogurt. Lots of milky yogurt. Now I know why there's a plastic bag on it. Honestly, should they have delivered it like that? Or should they have maybe not delivered it like that? So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 yogurts. They're all sealed, they're okay. But my eggs are in bad shape and I don't have any milk. Wow, okay, so I'm gonna tell them about that stuff and I'm sure I'll get a credit. Let's just see what I paid for this. Oh my goodness. I've never had that happen before. There's a first for everything. I even have milk on my phone. So the flax milk which is okay, by the way. It's $2.99. I got 10 yogurts, so that's 5 packs of 2 for $19.95. The milk, which would have been great if it was in the container, was $2.99. The eggs, which would have been great if they weren't smashed, was $3.29. My milky hot dogs were $4.99. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm dying here. The scallions, the milky scallions, were $1.39. The milky ginger was 99 cents. The lemons were 2 for $2. The apricots were a pound for $4.99, and the broccolini were 2 for $6.98, and this is all organic. My total was $50.56. Shipping was $6.99. I don't think I should be paying $6.99 for shipping when it arrived smashed. My total was $57.55, and they're telling me I saved $15.26. What do you think? Is this worth that? What is your experience with Misfits bin? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. This is probably the most disastrous order I've ever had from Misfits because the milk went all over everything. And I don't know how I'm getting this box out of here without getting milk all over my floor. Honestly, I mean, I don't think I should have to pay for any of this, especially the shipping charge and the eggs and the milk. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody else that may want to try Misfits or Thrive Market. Just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week and at least one of them is always an unboxing. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. I'm cleaning up milk and I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.